Hello everyone, Rama this side. In this video, we will talk about various taskbar settings that we can do in Windows 10. Okay, so first of all, what is taskbar? Taskbar is a horizontal bar that you can see here on the bottom corner of your desktop. जो आपके ये डेस्कटॉप के बॉटम पे एक हॉरिजॉन्टल सी बार आपको दिखाई दे रही है, ग्रे से कलर की पट्टी सी दिखाई दे रही है आपको, दैट इज योर टास्क बार एंड यू कैन सी द वेरियस आइकन्स प्रेजेंट ओवर इट. We will discuss each and everything. By default, the position of the taskbar is at the bottom corner. But if you want to change the position, like you want the taskbar on the left, right, or top corner, you can do that also. So let's start how everything you can manage, or the taskbar settings. What are the various taskbar settings that you can do? So first of all, the various icons. If we will talk about, the first icon is on the bottom left corner is always the start button. ये जो स्टार्ट बटन होता है इसकी पोजीशन हमेशा फिक्स होती है और इसका जो आइकन होता है वो वही होता है जो आपके विंडोज का होता है. इफ यू आर हैविंग विंडोज 7 तो विंडोज 7 का 4 कलर आइकन आपको दिखाई देगा. यहाँ पे आप विंडो 10 है तो दिस इज द आइकन ऑफ विंडोज 10. व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन इट, सिंगल लेफ्ट क्लिक, it will show you all the programs, all the softwares that are installed on your system. मेरे लैपटॉप में या मेरे कंप्यूटर में जितने भी प्रोग्राम सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल्ड हैं, it will gives you a list of that. Not only list but an alphabetical list. Alphabetical so that it can be easy to find out. Second icon is of search. Whenever you want to search anything on your computer system, you can just click over here. Just type whatever you want. Suppose I want to open Notepad. Okay, just type and it will gives you the application which you have searched for. Do the single left click on the icon and it will be opened like this. So whatever you want, you can just access through the search icon. This is Cortana. It will help you in online or offline mode. Just by
Sorry,
clicking
the
on this
internet and I
microphone, you
aren't
can give the
talking right
command
now.
and it will just do the, it will just follow your commands and it will gives you the result. Next is this task view. Task view means it will just provide you the view of the task, the work done. ओके, रिसेंटली आपने जो भी काम किया है अपने कंप्यूटर पे, इट विल शो यू दैट डेट वाइज. यू कैन सी येस्टरडे 5th June, 4th June, 2 June, 1 June, 28th May, 27th May. It will keep the record of, see here, up to 8th May. Around 1 month record it will keep. Okay, if you want to delete anything, just do the right click and remove from here. If you don't want anything or any record. But if you want to see the complete month history कि आपने एक महीने में अपने सिस्टम पे क्या क्या काम किया है, so it will just give you that. So if you want to just go escape, just click over it again. Now this is the task view. Next is the file explorer. File explorer will help me to manage the various files and the folders that are present in my system, and it will also show you the recent top 20 files in which you have worked. Okay, and you can just access any drive from here. You can access your complete computer from here, CD, E drive, wherever you want to go. You can just click over there and you can navigate through the drives or the folders. Next are the various applications that I have installed on my systems. Okay, according to my choice, I have just put it on the taskbar. So now how to put the applications or the softwares on the taskbar? इसको हम कहते हैं pinning. Pinning a particular app or a software to taskbar. Suppose I want to add some more icons on my taskbar. How I can do that? Go to the search for that particular app. Suppose this one, I will write here Edge. Okay, this Microsoft Edge is the default web browser of Windows 10. Suppose I want this on my taskbar, so right click. You will get a list of 4 or 5 options. आपको उसमें से कौन सा सेलेक्ट करना है? पिन टू टास्क बार. कौन सा सेलेक्ट करना है? पिन टू टास्क बार. एंड व्हेन यू जस्ट डू दैट, your app or your software will be added on your taskbar. What is the benefit of adding the apps or the softwares to the taskbar? Generally, suppose I want to open a particular file or folder, generally I need to do double click on that. Okay, but if they are added on the taskbar, I can just open it by a single left click. Suppose I want to open this now, so do the single left click and it will be opened. Okay, generally we have to do the double left click. Suppose I want to open this folder, desktop apps. So I need to do the double left click to open it. Okay, this is the folder, but the various apps or the software that are present on the taskbar that can be opened through a single left click. And there is a shortcut also. Just start after this task view. Okay, this is my first application, this is second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Up to 9s you can open the applications with the software. What is the shortcut that you can use? You have to use window key and any number from 1 to 9. Suppose I want to open this Word file. So I need to click window 4. It will be open MS Word. Suppose I want to open Excel, window 5. It will open Excel. So these are the shortcut keys also that you can use to open the apps that are present on your taskbar. Benefits. Two benefits are there to add the apps on the taskbar. First, you can just open them directly with a single left click. Second, you can use the shortcuts also. With the window key, you can just press the number, the position number of the app starting from the file explorer. So the file explorer is 1. This is snipping tool I have opened by pressing number 7. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this way, you can open the application with the shortcuts also. This area where I have put it, these applications are known as quick launch area. Quick launch means jaldi, quick. Okay, the applications that I want daily. Okay, I want every time to work. So I put all the applications on here in the quick launch area so that I can open them very fast or very easily whenever I want. No need to go to the start button and search for the application and then do the click or open it. It will just save your time. And it will also help to manage your system. On the right hand side, you can see this is the notification area. All the icons, you can add the various icons also, and you can remove also according to your choice. This is the notification panel. Okay, they will show you the various notifications that you will have in your system. This is the date and the time. Date and time area. Here in Windows 10, you can add events also. As you can see here, they are showing me today. Suppose I have written meeting at 8 p.m. Okay, set the time. It's like a reminder. 8 p.m. Set the time and then click on yes. Okay, check. Save. See, it will showing you at 8 p.m. you are having a meeting and meeting is of 1 hour. So in your this Windows 10 you can add the various events also. Next is your language, which language you are using for typing. Generally English we are using. This is my volume control. This is my battery position. You can say how much battery is charged. It is just showing me that. This is the LAN icon and this up arrow is having further icons. These are the various icons. If you want to show or hide a particular icon, suppose I don't want this icon, so just go to this area and you can just drag and drop the icons to this area and you can just save your taskbar. See here, the various icons I have just put it in this area and they are now hidden. If later on if you want the various icons, just simply single left click and drag the icon on your taskbar. So in this way, by dragging and dropping, you can just add or remove the icons from your taskbar according to your choice. So this is the taskbar settings. Now how to move the taskbars on various corners. Just do the right click on the taskbar, go to the taskbar settings, the last option. Here you will get, I will just tell you 2 or 3 settings. First is lock the taskbar. That means if it will be on, आपकी जो taskbar है उसकी position change नहीं हो सकती by simply dragging. Second, automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Generally होता क्या है, when I just open an app, suppose मैंने Word open किया, Excel open किया, this taskbar is always on the top of a particular application. ये देखो ये Excel मेरा open है और taskbar इसके ऊपर है. I want when I open a particular application, ये मेरा taskbar जो है वो hide हो जाए. And whenever I want it, I'll just put my pointer over there and then it will be shown. So how I can do that? आपको ये ऑप्शन यहाँ मिलेगा ऑटोमेटिकली हाइड टास्क बार इन डेस्कटॉप मोड. इसको ऑन करिए एंड नाउ यू कैन सी माई टास्क बार इज हिडन नाउ. जस्ट if you want it back, put your pointer on the bottom of the screen and it will show like this. Now open Excel. See, the taskbar is gone. Again, if you want it, just put your pointer near to the bottom and it will be back. So this setting you can do if you want to auto hide the taskbar. When you want it, just put your pointer over there. When you don't want it, when you open a particular application, it will be hide. Next, the location on the screen. By default, it is bottom always. Suppose I want it on the top. Now you can see, select karte hi my taskbar is on the bottom of my screen. If you want it on the right corner, if you want it on the left corner, you can just do this proper settings accordingly. After doing that, just lock it so that it can't be moved by drag and drop. Okay, suppose मैं इसको इस lock the taskbar को off कर देती हूँ. Now what I can do is, simply by dragging I can change the position. How to drag? Keep your pointer on the taskbar in the blank area, do the single left click and drag your taskbar. See, now it is on the right corner. Again I want it on the bottom. Keep your pointer in a blank area, do the single left click. Where is the blank area? You have to search for blank area also. Here it is. Single left click and drag it. Again single left click and drag it. Okay. So in this way you can drag your taskbar. See, I'm dragging it again and again. If you want to lock this thing, so you can just do the right click and from here again directly you can just lock your taskbar. Now it will be here permanently. I can't do the drag and drop. See, here I'm just doing the dragging but it is not happening. Okay. So this is all about the taskbar settings that you can do in your systems. Okay, वीडियो पसंद आया तो उसको लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए and try all these settings in your Windows 10. Thank you and have a nice day.